Hello everyone. Welcome to 9 Facts Studio. Today we will continue to tell you interesting facts or things we need to know about different countries or cities in the world. Let's learn more about Canada. Please watch the video to the end and comment on the interesting facts or things you know about this place. Canada is bigger than the European Union. Ever been traveling abroad and had someone ask you if you know Kimberly from Vancouver or Theo from Montreal after you told them you were Canadian? Here are some fun facts about Canada to put its breathtaking scale into perspective. It's bigger than the entire European Union, 33 times bigger than Italy and 15 times bigger than France, more than 30% larger than Australia, 5 times as big as Mexico, 3 times as big as India and about the same size as 81,975 Walt Disney Worlds put together. So, in other words, no, you don't know Kimberly or Theo. Canada's lowest recorded temperature is as cold as Mars. One of the least surprising facts about Canada is that it can get pretty cold in the winter. Anyone who's ever had to chisel their car out of a block of ice in the morning knows this to be true. The average low for the month of January in Ottawa is -14.4 C, 6.1 F. That's pretty cold. There are more lakes here than anywhere else in the world. Canada has a lot of great things in abundance, like hockey players, parkas and Tim Hortons franchises. But one of the most fascinating facts about Canada is that we also have more surface area covered by lakes than any other country in the world. It's true. The Great White North has 563 lakes larger than 100 square kilometers. Canada has the world's longest coastline. If you walked and never stopped, not to eat, not to rest your feet, not to get some sleep, it would take you 4.5 years to walk the length of Canada's coastline. While our country might not conjure up images of blue waters and white sandy beaches, Canada has the world's longest coastline, bordered on 3 sides by 3 different oceans, the Atlantic, Arctic, and Pacific. Canada has 10% of the world's forests. One of the most widely known facts about Canada is that we've got an abundance of trees, but did you know that Canada actually boasts 30% of the world's boreal forest and 10% of the world's total forest cover? An incredible 396.9 million hectares of forest and other wooded land can be found across the country, and 68% of that is coniferous. The best part of all? Most of our forest land is publicly owned, and much of it can be explored in these 50 gorgeous parks across Canada. Canada has the only walled city in North America. Quebec City has a special feature that makes it unique in Canada, and the US, for that matter. It has walls. One of the most fascinating facts about Canada is that Quebec City is the only city north of Mexico that still has fortified walls. First the French, and later the English, built up Quebec City's fortifications between the 17th and the 19th centuries. Quebec's entire historic district, including the ramparts, has since been declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Canada has 6 times more oil than Russia. It's thick, it's sticky, and Canada has an estimated 176.8 billion recoverable barrels of it. That's right, crude bitumen, a semi-solid source of petroleum, is available in abundance in Canada's oil sands. There's an estimated 249.67 billion accessible barrels of the black stuff in the world, and Canada has about 70.8% of it, 4 times more than Kazakhstan and 6 times more than Russia. Canada's national parks are bigger than most countries. Canada is so vast, even our parks dwarf other countries. Just look at Nahanni National Park Reserve in the Northwest Territories. Not only is it a sight to behold with massive waterfalls, it's also an incredible 30,050 square kilometers, bigger than Albania and Israel. Wood Buffalo National Park in Alberta in the Northwest Territories is even bigger at 44,807 square kilometers, which makes it bigger than Denmark and Switzerland. Canada has North America's strongest current. Here's a fun fact about Canada for all you adrenaline junkies. If you're up for the swim of your life, be sure to wear a life jacket. Check out the Seymour Narrows in British Columbia. The stretch of the Discovery Passage has some of the strongest tidal currents ever measured, with flood speeds of 17 km per hour and ebb speeds of 18 km per hour. Alert, Nunavut, is the world's northernmost settlement. At the northern tip of Ellesmere Island, just 817 kilometers from the North Pole, you'll find the northernmost permanently inhabited place in the world, Alert, Nunavut. It might not have malls or movie theaters, but Alert is the temporary home to military and scientific personnel working in the area. The temporary home part will make sense once you realize how cold this place gets. The warmest month, July, has a balmy average temperature of 3.4 C, 38.1 F. By January, the coldest month, the mean temperature has plunged to -32.19 C, -26 F. No wonder they named it Alert.